Please put a huge round of applause for our guests of today's event. On behalf of entire Mv International School family, we welcome Mr. Abhishek Sharma, IAS Deputy Commissioner Samba.
It's an honor for me, it's a pleasure to come and be a part of this amazing program being organized by Mv International School. Which matters. It's not only the kind of success in terms of passing an examination which matters, but the kind of human being you have created. This time, if some student wants to qualify an exam, there are 10 apps available. There are 100 of YouTube channels available, but there is not a single YouTube channel which creates a human being. You are the resource, you are the people, you are the human beings who will create another human being who is ethically right, morally strong, and mentally and emotionally and spiritually upright. That is the kind of human beings which we have to create, which all of you have to make and ensure that the next generation is as strong, is more, is much stronger than the existing one, so that the kind of crimes and the kind of things we are seeing as in a society, they don't exist forever.
This is still the perimeter, but what does the formula become now? 2 pi r. And when you open it, it is 2 bracket length plus breadth. So this is how, until you don't understand it, the logic. So when you talk about total surface area of a cylinder, or you talk about the circumference of a cylinder, so then only these things, the application part comes up. Otherwise you find a lot of children, aap samjha do, answer or nikal lenge, but they don't know the application part. They're not able to play with the language part. That is where the most of the problem arises, because they were not taught the language part.